Hello friends, as you can see our all icons are ready. Okay, now I have to open NetBeans. Click on this new project icon, Java application. Next, and here we have to name our application HMS. Okay, GUI. Click finish. Now you can see our project is created. Okay, so I have to close all other projects and I have to search the project that I created now. Okay, so this is our project. First of all, I have to delete this file, okay, because this is not needed. Simply click delete, okay, and safely delete. Okay, now what I have to do, simply click new JFrame form. Okay, and this is our login. Click finish. So now you can see our login form is created. Now I have to adjust its size and design it. Okay, so I have adjusted size as required. I think this is better. Now what I have to do, I have to copy all the images. Okay, you can see this one. I also have to rename this one FNF2 dog for doctor. Okay, I need this one. Okay, select all the images that I needed. Okay, Control C. So I have to select like that. These all images are needed. Okay, so I simply Control C to copy it. And now what I have to do, you have to open the project where is located. Okay, new. Okay, sorry, properties. The properties you can see where our project is located in the NetBean. Okay, and this is our project name. So I have to open the, okay, and this is our NetBeans project, NetBean, and this is the project that I created. Now you have to open the src folder of your project and create a new folder here. Okay, new folder and name it as img. Okay, for images. That's done. Simply Control V to paste the images that you already copied and view. You can see these are the images that are needed for this project. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what we have to do, we have to open NetBeans now. Cancel it, and I have to take a panel here to set it in the background. Okay, so adjust its size to the size of our frame like that. That's done. Open the properties, and here I have to change the background color. So here I set a white background color. Okay, and close this one. So what we need to do, okay, open JFrame properties. Okay, first of all I will show you how it look like. Okay, so run this one. Now you can see it open in the start. Okay, I have to open in the middle of screen. So how can I do that? So open navigator, select JFrame properties, select code. Okay, generate resize code and generate center. Select this one. Okay, close. our project is open in the middle of screen. Okay, that's done. Now it's time to design. Simply take a label because we have to set an image to our label. Okay, so adjust its size like that. Properties, and set the text to null. And in the icons you can see I have to select from the files. Okay, so this is the images folder that I created in our source directory. So I have to select the logo. Okay, this one. Okay, and close. Now you can see this is our project logo. You have to adjust its size as required. So I set a logo. Now it's time to take a label and set a text to it. Edit text and login here. Okay, open properties. I have to increase the font size. You can see you can easily change the font size as required. Okay, so adjust it to 48, bold, and any other font that's better. Okay, let me change other one. Times New Roman. Okay, I think that was encoded. Okay, so change the background color. I think that color is okay for this one. Close. Cancel it. And now what I have to do, I have to take a label. Okay, where is label? Add the text. Enter your password to login. Okay, so I have to adjust it font. Properties, make it 18, bold. Okay, so I have to correct log. Okay, close it. Now I have to take a password field. So this one is our password field. I simply drag and drop it here. Adjust its size. Properties, set the text to null, and I have to increase the font size to 18. It's good. Okay, and bold. Okay, close it. Now you can see our design is almost ready. Now I have to take a label. Properties, open properties, set the text to null, and I have to set a key. Okay, key icon to it. So you have to select the source directory and select the key icon from img. This one is our key. Okay, close, and I have to little reduce its size. Okay, a little drop, drag and drop it here. Also this one, and I have to put our login key here. Okay, and adjust it to the size like that. Okay, that's look better. Click OK. Now I have to take a button. So here is a button. I have to put it here at the text and login. properties, font color, sorry, font size 24 bold. Okay, and let me check any other font. Times 36. Okay, change the color. So I have to change the color to green. I think that's look better for this one. Close. So now you can see our login page is now ready. I have to put it here. Now I have to reduce the extra area, like I have to adjust it, and I also have to adjust our frame size. Okay, now when I run this one, you can see here I have to put our password like that and click on login button. Okay, so what I have to do when I click login button, double click it, and you will be in design part. Oh, sorry, in coding part. Okay, you can see there are two parts, design and source part. Okay, so you have to go press arrow key, okay, up arrow key, and you can see this is the implementation. Oh, okay, this is the implementation of our button. In the design, you simply need to double click on the button and you will be at your design. So here what I have to do, control N, Java class, all constants. Okay, sorry, all const. Okay, like that, and public final string login key. Okay, which is equal to 1 2 3 4 or any key that you wanna set. Okay, so now you have to open the login, and here what we have to check when this button is pressed, if you have to rename this one. Okay, open, change variable name, and rename the variable name like pass. Okay, if pass dot get text, okay, dot equals all constants dot login key. Okay, so we have to define it as static. Okay, now it's okay. So here I have to open the home page. Okay, so by default I have to show a message j option dot show message dialog. You can see here null, and what's the message, login success. Okay, otherwise control C, else, and here I have to display this message. Okay, invalid pass. So when I run this one, if I type a wrong password, you can see invalid pass, and if I type the correct password 1234, login success. Okay, you may change the password from here anytime. Like I wanna set 1 2 or 1. So when I run it again, 1, login success. Okay, hope you like this video. In the next video we'll design the home page. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for more